If you're thinking about building a mobile app, there's a good chance this question has already came up. Do we need to hire a mobile app development agency? For a lot of businesses, that feels like the default path. You want an app, so you hire an agency to build one. But do you really need an agency, or is there an easier and more efficient option? The real answer, it depends. Let's walk through what you need to know in order to decide. If you've got a website and a steady stream of regular customers coming through your website, whether or not you need an agency depends on what you actually want to build, because not every business needs the same kind of app. If your goal is a deep, fully bespoke native experience, something that's fundamentally different from your website, then an agency might make sense. It's worth it if the app is the product. It's expensive, it takes time, and it comes with ongoing complexity. But if you want an app that's unique to the pixel, that's what it takes. Let's say you want that, but you don't have the budget. There are high-touch, no-code app builders that can do the same kind of thing, just not quite at the performance level of a native build from an agency. These are a good fit for e-commerce brands that want a highly customizable, unique mobile app, something distinctly different from their website. It still comes at a cost though, both upfront and ongoing. You've got to decide if this cost is something worth paying. If your brand is happy with your website and your goal is really just to extend your mobile experience to a mobile app, there's a better way. MobiLoud turns your existing website into native mobile apps much more affordably and less effort than working with an agency. It's the perfect choice for online brands that have a bespoke mobile-friendly website that don't want to reinvent the wheel. With MobiLoud, you're not managing two products, a separate code base, or duplicating work every time something changes. Your website stays the source of truth, and the app runs alongside it on autopilot. It's a lower cost, faster launch with less operational drag. You still get the upside of a mobile app, installs, push notifications, higher retention, without turning it into a massive engineering project. If you like what you've already built and you want to turn that into a high quality mobile app that's easy to manage going forward, that's exactly what MobiLoud is designed for. If you want to explore whether that approach fits your business, go to mobiloud.com and get a free preview of what your app can look like, and you can decide from there.